Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I will be showing you my notes because I had queries regarding how to make notes. So first we'll start with biology. So in biology, what I do is I'll write the chapter name and then I'll write the topic wise heading and I'll try to segregate the chapter into topics so that next time whenever I study, I should know which topic I am studying, and whenever you're preparing for tests it makes it easy. And as you can see, I have used different color highlighter pens for this thing, for marking the headings. And I write the headings according to NCRT. Whatever the topic is given in NCRT, I write the same heading so that next time whenever I see it, I will go with NCRT. Also, remember to use only 2 to 3 colored of pens. For example, I use blue pen and black pen normally, and for headings I use colored sketches, and for highlighting some particular things I use 1 to 2 supplement. Don't make it too colorful or don't make it too bland in case of biology, because biology is a subject full of diagrams. And also I'm showing you my NCRT. In this I have shown you how I use my spaces. So NCRT has some spaces on the left and right side. What you have to do is, whatever extra information is taught to you in class, write it down there. And also, as I've shown you here, I've ticked some pages. These pages carry my test mistakes, so make sure to write all of your test mistakes in your NCRT. Next, I'm going to show you my concept maps and short notes for biology. For biology, personally, I don't make many short notes, but for the topics I am weak at, I prefer these. So this is my class 11 biological classification chapter short notes, Protestant fungi, and then we have Monera. So these were my weak topics. And also for animal kingdom, animal kingdom is such a vast topic. I made a full chart of non-chordates for animal kingdom, so that next time whenever I study, I will just take 10 to 15 minutes to revise whole chapter, and yeah, I will be done. Next, also I have a diagram of human heart. It's torn because it's very old. I made it in starting of grade 11, but yeah. Now next I'm going to show you my chemistry notes. For chemistry, I use a single notebook for physical as well as inorganic. I prefer to make both of these subjects in a single notebook and organic in a separate notebook. As you can see here, for starting of the chapter, what I do is, whatever the notes the teacher has provided, after that I make my own concept notes in the notebook itself. As you can see, these were my chemistry notes. Now let me tell you, my chemistry notes don't look like these nowadays, because whenever I get in grade 12, when you get in grade 12 or when you move towards ending, now as you can see, my atomic structure notes are so simple, just black and blue pen with highlighted parts, and I think this is enough for chemistry and as well as physics. You don't need to add so much color to your chemistry notes. Yeah, you can add it when it comes to organic. And yeah, you can see how I've highlighted all the important formulas of my physical chemistry. And I have also jotted down all the previous year questions in the same chapter and left some pages after every chapter, so that if I get a new question, it would be easy for me. Now next is organic chemistry. As you can see, it just looks like my biology notebook, because organic and biology are the notebooks, are the subjects which need distinguishing. And make sure you do your homework and solve your homework with a pencil. Never solve it with pen, because now if you get any wrong answer, you will mess up the notebook. And I think personally for me, this makes my study mood very bad. And yeah, I also jotted down the previous year for this topic as well. Next comes the chemistry NCRT. Now this is my organic NCRT. Actually, I have not started my class 12 organic yet. But now I'll show you my for physical and inorganic. This is my class 12 NCRT. Now, as you can see in NCRTs, I solve all the important in-text questions and highlight all the important points which are not present in my notes, or either they are give reason-based questions, because this is generally what I don't write. And after every chapter, what I do is paste a paper in which I solve the back exercise question. So next time whenever I'll come to solve back exercise, I can just revise those questions with the help of solved exercises. You can also do this for biology and physics as well. For physics, I don't solve NCRT, neither do many of my friends, because physics NCRT is such a vast and boring for me. I don't personally solve it. But yeah, if you're good enough with your modules and PYQs and everything, then you can go for physics. Now this is my notes. This is my chemistry short notes of S block. S block is my weak point. Inorganic is my weak point. So S block, what I did was I converted whole chapter into 4-page notes, and this helped me really. Now this is my thermodynamic notes, atomic structure. So these are some of the chapters which carry heavy weightage in NEET syllabus. So yeah, this is my solutions note, and you can see I made all the graphs with possibilities. This is very important to include in your short notes. Now next comes the physics portion, and just a small motivational quote, and then starts a physics portion. Similarly, a physics portion is also very simple with 2 pens, black and blue, and mainly in physics is whatever DPPs you solve and whatever module you solve, just don't forget to write all the wrong questions in the notebook itself. Don't make a separate notebook. I will personally suggest you don't pick a separate notebook for your mistakes. Instead, just inculcate all those mistakes in your class notebook, because every time you revise your revision notebooks, you will revise those mistakes also. See, here I have written my test mistakes, also the reason why I made that mistake. Silly mistakes, or whether I forgot the formula, or I knew but I wasn't sure about that. So this is the thing which majors in the term of analysis of a test. Now next I'll show you my physics short notes. I have separated all my 3 subject notes into different folders. Now this is for solid state. This is for thermal properties of matter. I have made sure to use one color scheme for one short notes, because it makes it appealing as well as easy to identify all the important formulas which I have highlighted. This is for center of mass, rotational motion, which is one of the most important chapters of grade 11 physics, units and dimensions. And yeah, this was it for my short notes. So yeah, I hope this video solved all the major problems of note making. For making your notes, you just need to inculcate all your class notes, your DPP's solution which you got wrong, and your module questions which were not right, and your test mistakes. And this will make your perfect notes. Just remember to revise them 4 to 5 times, and you have them on your tips, and then move to any book you want to solve. First master 3 things: your notes, your DPPs, and your modules. In the next video I will share the book list, and bye. Thank you for watching.